The Canon SureShot 105 is a point-and-shoot film camera made in the 1990s. Today, we're in the forest, and we're going to be putting this camera to the test to see if it can still hold up in 2021. Without further ado, welcome to Killer Entertainment, and this is Into the Lens.
Yeah, now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I will if you test my patience. I'm patiently waiting, thinking you know me, but you've been mistaken. Alone in my crib, I like it vacant. Up in the morning, I'm eating the bacon. Don't let it cap and I don't let it fake it. I need a bag and it's mine for the taking.
I think I might zoom in here. A little bit more. Okay, sweet. First frame done. Let's keep going over here. Sun's coming out a little bit, so that's good. I think I want to shoot it here. It's a little bit slow, but it's not that bad. I think I want to shoot up here. It's definitely not wide enough. Maybe just go down here. Yes. Nice. I don't know if I like that one, but we'll see. Okay, there's like 2 pathways here, so I like the look of both of them. Don't wanna. I think the shutter is slow on this because it's pretty shady in here, so, and I'm using like ISO 200 film, so hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so it's been a few days now and we got the scans back, and I would have to say that the photos we got are actually surprisingly pretty good. They're pretty sharp and the colors are really nice. Now, would you take this camera to like a street shoot and stuff like that? Probably not, because you're probably gonna miss every shot. It's just too slow for that type of stuff, but for landscapes and maybe even portraits and things like that, this camera can perform pretty well. In regards to the film that we used Kodak Color Plus 200. And again, that film actually is surprisingly good. Mainly because it's a cheaper film, but it was just really, fuck me, I keep saying the same thing. It's just really good, guys. I have nothing bad to say. No, but it is actually pretty good. If you like more of a muted, natural look to your film and your photos and stuff, then I would say Color Plus 200 is a good alternative if you can't afford more of the expensive film. But other than that, I think that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode.